OCDetailing. We just finished another Model S. Crazy story behind this one. This customer was actually on his way moving to Georgia when he found out about our services, and he had just got a new Model S. Unfortunately, we were a little bit out, so he waited 2 months. He delayed his move for us to do the works to the car. Full 3M crystalline window tint, full paint correction, 100% custom SunTech Ultra Wrap, along with CQuartz Finest Reserve ceramic coating and Alloygators. The results are simply stunning. I'm sure he's going to love it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. I'm Joe with OCDetailing.